I'm Sujei Lugo, the children's librarian at the Connolly branch of the Boston Public Library, and one of this year's judges for the Boston Globe Horn Book Awards. I'm delighted to present the 2020 Boston Globe Horn Book Honor Book Award for Picture Book to Birdsong, published by Greystone Kids, edited by Callie George, and written and illustrated by Julie Flett. Katharina, her mother, and their dog Oho moved from their little home in the city by the sea to a new home that sits on a hill. Through Flett's distinctive warm and pastel illustrations and uses of space, we learn and view their new setting as a peaceful, quiet place. Loneliness surrounds Katharina until she meets Agnes, an elderly woman who enjoys gardening and making art. Will their age difference get in the way of bonding? Creamity's author illustrator Flett's words and images truly capture the kindness and solidarity of the female protagonist and the ideal of respect of our elders. This tender intergenerational friendship story beautifully portrays the way in which human connections are strengthened through love and art of nature. Congratulations to Julie Flett for Birdsong.